Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, June 23rd, and we got a lot to go over today. We're going to jump right into it. We'll start off with the weekly jobless claims. So last week we had 277,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast for this week was 270, and we actually did much better than that, 259,000. So much better news right there. Market PMI, this is kind of along the lines of manufacturing. Anything above 50 is considered a expansion, so we were just hanging on the line there last month in May, and it was at 50.7. And actually, this might be the second one. I'm sorry. The initial one was at 50.7. We usually get about two of them in June here, and this should be the second one recording here. So we had a 50.7, excuse me, on the initial one, and June, the final one should be at 51.4. So a little bit better than our initial reading here, which is good news too. That manufacturers starting to show a little bit of a pickup here. New home sales, disappointing here. As you can see, we had back in April 619,000 new home sales. Forecast was supposed to dip down to 560, and it dipped further than expectations at 551,000. So not as good. Existing home sales was better yesterday, but obviously new home sales didn't make the cake, so to speak. In leading indicators, so we had a 0.6 back in April, and it dropped 2 points down to 0.4%. So economy is still showing some progress here, which is a good sign here. Stock market's up. It's all about the Brexit vote today. Today is the first day where they're going to do the Brexit vote. We most likely won't get any results of it, the final results, until tomorrow morning, very early California time. I think they're expecting it like 4 o'clock in the morning, our time, when they close off their polls and go through it. They don't want to announce anything until they've gotten through everything, as it's a very important referendum. There was yesterday, later in the day in the stock market, there was another poll came out that the exit, the Brexit votes came in that to leave were higher than that of the remain. So that's why the stock market kind of went the opposite direction, helped out the bond market, which we'll see here in a moment. But this morning, other polls came out showing the opposite, now showing that the remain are in favor of the leave movement. So we'll have to kind of wait and see, but so the stock market's liking that news today, so they're all kind of hopeful that they remain. Here's the bond market. As we said, we closed up about 12 basis points yesterday. We didn't get a pricing for the better. They probably figured they'll put it in today, but so far today we're down about 6 basis points. So we're kind of just hovering above the, as you can see here, the 25-day moving average, which is right here. We're just touching off that. That's becoming kind of more of our floor. As you can see, we've kind of touched off of it. We've touching off it again. Hopefully, hopefully we can get a little springboard up, but this might be a little difficult if the Remain votes come in and bring the Remains with the European community. That would probably be a detriment to bonds, as a lot more money will go back into the stock market here. All right, so be very cautious. This can be very volatile today and as well as tomorrow. We'll have more of a definitive or clear choice as to which direction England's going to be moving, if they're going to be remaining or going. But as of right now, most polls seem to be indicating that they're going to remain with the European community here. All right, folks, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.